If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Kayak account, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Kayak website. Go to the official Kayak website or open the Kayak app on your device. Ensure you are on the correct platform to avoid any security issues. Step 2. Access the login page. Click on the login button to reach the login page. Here, you will need to enter your account credentials to begin the reset process. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. If you cannot access your account due to two-factor authentication issues, click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 4. Follow recovery instructions. Check your email for password reset link from Kayak. Follow the instructions provided in the email to reset your password and regain access to your account. Step 5. Reconfigure two-factor authentication. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Locate the two-factor authentication settings and follow the prompts to set it up again, ensuring you have access to your new authentication method. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your two-factor authentication on Kayak successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kayak's customer support for further assistance.